front door kit, which is on our website also. Everything you need to basically paint your front door is in this, from your zebra angled 2-inch stubby to your semi-smooth 2 fussy blokes also, and then your roller and your sanding blocks also. All favourite again, the Otex adhesion primer, the oil-based primer, can be tinted to virtually any colour under the sun. It goes on to PVC, wood, metal, glass, virtually any substrate you want. So if you have any left over, it can be used for other jobs, not just your door. Top coat we recommend then is called Unica, which is a semi-gloss oil-based top coat. It also comes in a water-based option, which maybe your kit might be coming soon on, but for the time being, this is the one we recommend. It's extremely tough and durable and can be used on also fiberglass boats and other buildings as well as wood and metal.